Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and having a look at this Evga Sc15 gaming laptop. This particular laptop is an i7 GeForce GTX 1060. This is going to be the first video with this one being an unboxing, and the second one, which I put at the end of this video, being a full review. But for now, do you want to know what's in the box?
Yeah.
Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, yes right now, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. So today I got my hands on the Evga Sc15. This is an Intel i7 processor, GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card, 1TB HDD, 256GB SSD, 16GB RAM, and various other specifications, which I'll get into on my full test and review. I'll leave all the links for this product in the description right down below where you can actually buy this from. So yeah, there's a couple of links down there for you guys, but without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Let's get to the fast forward mode. Well, what do we have? Well, on the outside of the box it does say here that this laptop is indeed VR ready. It has Intel inside, oh yes, and a G-Sync display. That's GeForce GTX 1060 and a very cool looking nice matte black box. To the rear there's nothing much except for the specifications that are listed here to the bottom left corner. But let's just go ahead and remove the secure seals and venture inside for a look.
Wow, that is really padded.
First of all, it says, important note, Evga recommends updating to the latest firmware for the best operation. It also gives you a website where to download that firmware, and well, let's move on to the accessories. So in the first compartment we have a lead that I guess connects to the power brick. It also comes with the Evga Velcro fastening, which I do like, and I like the fact that Evga added that detail. Very nice, very nice. But let's just take the laptop out just for now, and wow, I mean this thing is kinda heavy. But we'll be having a close look at the laptop shortly. But underneath the laptop is the power brick. Okay, this is a bit of a big power brick, it is flat, but you know what, I like the design. There is also a little insert for the cable plug, and here we also have the leather pad. Well, this pad, I think it sticks onto the bottom of the laptop, so yeah, there's sticky pads just here, and this pad I'll fit shortly. There is a very nice looking Evga instruction manual. It seems to be that matte black is the theme with this laptop. It's got details about the Precision X app and basically gives you a guide on how to use it. And lastly, we have the USB Type-C extension. Let's just open it up. So yes, you simply connect this to your existing phone or tablet cable. You connect it, and when doing so, you can transfer data at a significantly faster speed. Again, the detail just on the packaging itself is fantastic. It has well molded protection, so yes, a thumbs up for that. Anyway, let's move all this aside and let's have a look at the laptop itself. Let's just go ahead and remove it from its sleeve. So this laptop comes in matte black. Okay, yeah, it can be a bit of a fingerprint magnet, I guess, but this laptop, I must admit, looks real nice. Here's the Evga logo just here. We have some premium looking sleek fan exhaust vents to the rear, with the fans situated left and right just below. There's also screws to remove the bottom panel if you wish to upgrade. You can see here that there are some sturdy rubber feet, and this laptop unit is made out of aluminium. Let's see if it's easy to open, and yes indeed, using one hand this is very easy, and again I love the protected keyboard sheet that Evga added. Below the keyboard we have just a few specs, like the Thunderbolt 3.0, Bluetooth 4.2, and nothing really I've not already mentioned. The touchpad has a very smooth matte finish, the keystrokes have pretty good travel, and this chiclet keyboard has no flex whatsoever. We have some stereo speakers to the left and right of the keyboard, a webcam that is centered on the top of the screen, but let's just try and power this bad boy up, and nope, I think this is going to need a charge. Let's just have a quick look at the ports, and okay, you get a Kensington lock, a power port, a Gigabyte Ethernet port, a mini display port, HDMI port, Thunderbolt USB Type-C, and a USB 3 Type-A port. To the opposite side, we have a microphone and headphone jack, so they are separate, not a singular combination port. And also, we have two USB 3 Type-A ports, and another little air vent to the back. So I'm going to put these leather pads on real quick, and to do this you are given this little detailed how-to guide. And with a little bit of magic, the pads are now in place. The feel of these pads are nice, it gives access to both fans, and again the detail of the EVGA logo that's embedded on the pad is real nice. Now with the power brick plugged in, let's start this laptop up. As you can see, the RGB keyboard lights up, and I do like the preset colours that are chosen. I think that this keyboard has zone specific lighting, but like I said, I'll go more into that aspect in my next video when I test this laptop out. Expect the initial startup to be longer than your usual startup speed. As I'm aware, I think the usual startup speed is between 7 to 8 seconds. Initially, I can see that you can up and down clock this laptop using the up and down arrow keys. And well, here we come to the Cortana voice activated setup. Let's just go ahead and skip some of this. And wow, I mean, right away, I hope you're getting this at home. The screen looks fantastic. Wow. Even at wide angles, this 120Hz G-Sync screen really pays off. With the hardware that's in this laptop, and with the specifications already listed, I must say I'm excited to test this laptop out. It's not your usual in-your-face gaming laptop, as it looks premium, and I got to say the noise of this laptop right now is real low on normal settings. Again, I'll test out the super settings within my full review video that I'll upload alongside this one, but for now let me give it a good test, and that review video I'll just link here in the top corner of the screen. As well, I'll also link it in the end annotations of this video and link it in the description down below. And guys, as usual, it's important to share this video, smash that like button, subscribe, not forgetting to hit the bell notification button to stay updated on my new uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace!